Welcome to BulgarianPropertyFinder.com. Today, we will guide you through one of the most beautiful places in Bulgaria. Located 20 kilometers south of Rus, Rusenski Lom Nature Park derives its name from the Rusenski Lom River, the final right-side tributary of the Danube River. Spanning 3,408 hectares, this area has enjoyed protected status since 1970. Its allure lies in the picturesque river terraces, towering vertical cliffs, mysterious caves, striking rock formations, rich biological diversity, and historic landmarks, making it a captivating destination. Beyond its value for scientific inquiry, the park offers abundant opportunities for immersive ecotourism experiences. The convergence of rocks, forests, rivers, and caves within the park fosters remarkable biodiversity. Hosting 902 species of flora and a diverse fauna including 10 amphibians, 5 of which are protected, 19 reptiles, 22 fish species, as well as crayfish, snails, river mussels, and 66 mammal species, Rusenski Lom is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Notably, it's home to 190 bird species, with 110 nesting within the park, including notable species like the golden eagle, Egyptian vulture, long-legged buzzard, ruddy shelduck, and Saka falcon. Several well-marked trails enable visitors to explore this diversity. Gramovets Trail, starting at the Rock-Hewn Churches of Ivanovo Archaeological Reserve, offers a 12-kilometer journey through dense forests, past merging rivers, and beneath impressive rock formations. For botanical enthusiasts, the 6-kilometer Dendropath Trail starting from Nesovo village provides insights into the park's plant life, with over 20 local tree and shrub species showcased along the route. Another trail leads to a venerable elm tree near Nesovo village, offering a 6-kilometer journey through historic sites and picturesque landscapes. The UNESCO-protected Rock-Hewn Churches of Ivanovo are also within the park, with a dedicated 9-kilometer route starting from Ivanovo village, guiding visitors through both historical and natural wonders. Finally, history buffs can embark on a journey around Cherven Fortress, commencing from Cherven village, to explore medieval ruins and artifacts, including the remains of churches and a boyar's palace. All routes are clearly marked and easily navigable, ensuring visitors can explore independently without requiring special training or guides. I hope this journey has allowed you to uncover the beauty of this area. If you find this video helpful and interesting, please like, subscribe, and comment. We'd love to hear from you. And if you want to have your own property close to this piece of heaven, follow the link in the description. We are BulgarianPropertyFinder.com and we can't wait to see you in Bulgaria.